This particular Range Rover has been given a body kit by a company called Keyvany, and they're competing with Mansory. Now let's have a look at what they've done to the car. So the headlights are the same, but they have made some changes into the body. They've changed up the grille. Now you have a Keyvany logo there. There's an air intake on the hood with the two grills to let the warm air out from the engine bay. There's carbon fiber all around those grills as well. They made the car wider by adding more fenders, adjusting the suspension. So the fenders in this are very prominent, very thick, and they are made of complete carbon fiber. As for the rest of the front, you have carbon fiber around the air intakes. There's a completely new air splitter in the front, again fully carbon fiber. There's also a orange line on it, and that is there on this car as well. So that line goes all the way across the side. Now this detail here on the door, that's also carbon fiber. There's Keyvany logo on the rear doors. And coming to the back, there are a few changes here and there. They've added spoiler on the top, then just below the rear windscreen. On the rear bumper, you can see a little bit more of exposed carbon fiber. Then coming down here, you have a very different designed diffuser with new exhaust system, racing lights as well. I mean, on an SUV, yeah, I guess so. There's very little information out there about this particular model. Even Keyvany's website doesn't have any mention of this, and or the Cullinan or the SL that they have here. As far as the interior, you can see they've changed up all the upholstery, and this one is all orange. I don't like it. You have the Keyvany logo on the headrest, on the steering wheel. Now, as far as the engine, I don't think they have tuned it because they have not tuned it for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So, what engine is in this? I'm guessing the top end engine, which is the 4.4 liter V8 engine, which makes 530 horsepower. Does it really need any upgradation? I guess not. But as far as the body kit in general is concerned, honestly, it's a little less dramatic. It's not insane like Mansory's body kit. It actually complements the car, so it's not exactly the worst body kit I've ever seen.